Hey everyone, guess who this is? It's right, it's Duolingo, the green mascot owl. And we are going to follow along with this quick and easy step-by-step tutorial. And it's not gonna be that hard because I've just pop out this image to see what Duolingo looks like. And it'll disappear once the tutorial is going to commence. Alright, so grab your Crayola 64 Pipsqueak Skinny markers and let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the base color for the owl, and we are going to be using a type of green, the type of a normal green for Duolingo's native body. So this one, we are going to use Twist O Lime, which is a great color for the Duolingo's native skin or feathers. No, it's a bird. And birds really don't have skins or fur. Yep, that was great. And I've even traced the mask for his eyes and the feathers so easy. And since we're off to a good start, we're moving on to the next color, which will be for the inward feathers because it's going to be a lighter color. And I found a color which is lighter than Twist O Lime. This one is Sweet Pea Green. Looking great so far. So onto the feet. We're going to use the 4-leaf clover, which is the darkest green here for the Duolingo artwork. And now we are going to color Duo's beak. And it looks actually a little bit small. And actually, I've made a little spot, a little shape for the reflection of Duo's beak. So we are going to use a lighter color, not leaving it white. I have the small fry yellow color, which is the lightest yellow here for Duo's beak. And all I have to need to do is I'm just going to fill in like this. It's like a cute little bean shape. Yep. The next color here, we're going to be using this sunny side up color. And finally, we are going to color Duo's bottom beak, and we'll be using Fun in the Sun. And last but not the least, we are going to fill in Duo's iris and his eyes. And I actually observed the exact image of Duolingo, the owl. His eyes aren't that black, but not way too dark, although they put it with a little bit of a gray on to it to make it look characteristic and sceneful for this mascot character's physical appearance to be. So I found this, which is as a given color that's similar to the exact image from there. So this one is Toy Poodle, which is a color I found from the Crayola Pip Squeak Skinny colors to see them, that how they look like and look like as they show up to us. But you can grab any really similar colors to this one. I'm sure if it's possible for you to notice how the color of the marker might turn out, at least if you tried, or it might gonna take as almost as the exact color from the exact image over there. And we're done. Yeah, this looks wonderful. And I know that this has been an awesome day. I have the download app link there in the description down below. And inside there, you can get to learn the languages you like to learn, like Spanish, French, Mandarin Chinese, maybe Portuguese. And there are also some special features too, like music, math, and chess. Yeah. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next tutorial.